It's time for a new kind of clean. Karcher Clean. Now the power of pressure washing is in your hands.
Yeah, you just pull it a little bit like this.
It trails along and doesn't tip over.
I've got a power washer that's a couple thousand PSI, and this thing just smokes it.
Really nice to be able to adjust from low to high depending on the situation.
The Dirt Blaster attachment, it really blasts it. It steps it up quite a lot.
Meet the Karcher Follow Me electric pressure washer. It's lightweight and highly maneuverable, making cleaning easy and efficient. With oversized rear wheels and steerable front-mounted wheels, it easily follows as you clean over and around most obstacles and surfaces. Along with the wheels, the 35-foot power cord and 15-foot high-pressure hose let you clean up to 7,500 square feet without interrupting your work to move or reposition the power washer. Getting started is a snap. Quick connect fittings on hoses and attachments make it quick, easy, and secure. The Vario Power Spray Wand lets you adjust the pressure by twisting the barrel of the wand. The Dirt Blaster Spray Wand increases the effective cleaning power by up to 50%, and both use up to 80% less water. The patented Karcher nozzle works in tandem with the non-corrosive, maintenance-free pump for unmatched deep cleaning efficiency. The onboard detergent tank is convenient and has a wide mouth for easy filling. The top of the Follow Me stores the spray wands, power cord, and hose when not in use. And the Follow Me is light enough to easily carry by its included handle.
The AR Blue Clean 383 Electric Pressure Washer. 1900 PSI at 1.5 gallons per minute means the 383 can blast through some of your toughest home cleaning projects. Safe, convenient, quiet electric power with AR's total stop system means the motor turns off when you release the trigger. Onboard attachments include a fully adjustable spray wand, from an intense 0-degree stream to a wide spray pattern with a simple twist. The included turbo nozzle provides maximum force in a spinning 0-degree spray to quickly break down some of the toughest caked-on dirt and grime in half the time. Tough stains? Fill the detergent bottle, twist on, and pull the trigger to spray on your favorite cleaning solution. Wrap it up with onboard hose storage, and easy roll wheels get you to your next project or garage. With a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, you can be confident you made the right choice. The AR 383 Blue Clean Power.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. get equipped.